Right side of the brain is typically the creative
Logic,
brain.
logic things. The
Setu,
right side is for things in which we apply a logic.
okay, so ulta hai. So right side of the brain is creative brain. So whenever you're learning a new skill, a language, music, so it's your right side of the brain. Creative writing kar rahe hain, poetry kar rahe hain, art kar rahe hain. So right side of the brain is being used. And the left side of the brain is the logical brain. You're crunching numbers, you're doing mathematics, physics. Somebody in this group loves to do gaming, all those things. Somebody who's wants to be an astrophysicist, the left side of the brain. When are you at your optimum best? When are you the most effective? When there's a balance between the right and the left brain.
Like Pooja said, pleasure to have you, Ritvika, Sai. We would love to sort of see you as well. You all have signed up for this program, which is a great testament to your own desire to invest in yourself. So congratulations on that first. It's very important. We've spoken to enough and more children to know, which are the children or which are the batch, which is really aspirational in terms of crafting that path forward for themselves. And I must congratulate you guys to make sure that you are sort of putting your hand up and getting onto it. So now that we are on this program, I really do hope that you will make the best of it, because you have the best of the mind in terms of Pooja really facilitating her and her gamut. I'm sure she will do the introductions, but it spans from literally being able to build these skills for children to take that continuum conversation for corporates and senior management professionals, as well as she coaches and mentors them. So you'll be amazed with how many activities and scenarios can be weaved in depending on the maturity of the group to have conversations that are relevant for your project stints.
Piece of paper, right? I want you to now listen in, and I don't want any questions for this activity. I want you to fold your sheet of paper into half. I'm going to speak और वो आप करते जाइए साथ साथ, ठीक है? Fold your paper into half and tear off the upper right corner. Tear off the upper right corner and then again fold your paper into half again and tear off the lower right corner this time. The lower right corner. Right? Fold your paper into half again. And tear off.
Can you take it from the start, please?
No. I am just going to speak. अब सुनना है ध्यान से. Tear off, fold your paper again in half. Tear the upper left corner. Now fold the paper again into half a final time and tear off the lower left corner. ठीक है? Display it. Unfold कर लो, unfold कर लो, unfold कर लो और फिर display कर दो, please. Put your, but can you see हम लोगों के पास instructions same थी, but जो end result था वो सबका अलग अलग है. Did you see that? अमित का तो पता नहीं क्या 5 rounds in the middle. So communication, which means is not an easy thing to do. मैंने सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन सबको दी, बट जो एंड रिजल्ट आया वो सबका अलग अलग आया. तो आपको क्या लगता है क्या कमी थी कम्युनिकेशन में मेरे जिसमें रिजल्ट अलग हुआ सबका?
Ma'am, it is not a mistake in communication.
Sorry, Madhav, can you say that again?
Yeah, ma'am. It is not a mistake of yours of communication. It is a mistake of our thinking that we have not listened too much carefully or seriously that what instructions we should follow.
Okay.
No, I would like to correct you over there.
Okay,
It's not.
thanks,
Yeah,
Madhav.
yeah.
It's not a mistake of thinking. It's like different way of thinking.
Okay, thanks, Naman. Thanks, Naman.
Also, when you communicate and you don't understand something, and when you ask something and when you don't get corrected, then you don't really understand.
My God,
If
thank
you are
you
doing
so
it.
much. Thanks, Setu. Amazing insight. So when you hear something, nobody is there to correct you, and I said something which lessened your understanding. एक चीज मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन दी, सेतु ने शायद मुझसे पूछा कि आप रिपीट करेंगी, मैंने क्या कहा?
No.
No
I don't want to.
repeating.
और एक और चीज मैंने कही जिससे गड़बड़ हुई, क्या कहा था मैंने?
You can't ask questions.
No question. No question.
Exactly, exactly. Thanks, Setu, and thanks, Madhav. No questions. See that? That
Yeah.
this communication broke down because you guys were not allowed to ask questions on purpose. I wanted to make you understand कि communication तभी strong हो सकता है when it is two-sided, right? I'm going to share the screen and I'll just take you to the process. What is a communication process? Communication process में एक sender है, right? And that sender is sending a message. Encode कर रहा है. तो sender is sending a message to a receiver, right? And the receiver is decoding it. So in this case, I was the sender. I was encoding it in my language. मैं अंग्रेजी में बात कर रही थी और मैं अपनी language में fold into half, top right corner. I never said how much you have to cut. Little bit or 5 inches or 2 inches, 1 inches. So that was my encoding. I passed on the message. You all were decoding at your end, whatever your understanding was.